shouted on them. Hearing of their neighbor's good luck, they coaxed the dog into their garden and set before him bits of fish and other dainties, hoping he would find treasure for them. Now, when they heard about the story how that kind couple became rich, now what they did, because they were very cruel and they were very wicked also, what they did, they coaxed the dog, means उन्होंने पड़ोसी जो अच्छे वाले कपल था उनके कुत्ते को लालच देकर उसको लालच दिया. What they gave bits of fish and other dainties, means delicious dishes. उसका लालच देकर उसको अपने घर अपने गार्डन में बुलाया. They were hoping that that dog will find a treasure for them also. But the dog, being afraid of the cruel pair, would neither eat nor move. But that dog used to see that they used to kick the other dogs. So that dog, the little pet dog, was very afraid. Muko was afraid. He did not eat anything and neither he moved. He stood as if he is a statue. Then they dragged him out of doors, taking a spade and hoe with them. They dragged, उसको खींचते हुए, उसको बाहर खींचते हुए बाहर ले गए, and they were having spade and hoe with them. No sooner had the dog got near a pine tree growing in the garden than he began to paw and scratch the ground as if a mighty treasure lay beneath. As soon as the dog reached the place, he started digging the ground near the big pine tree as if some treasure is buried under it. "Quick, wife, hand me the spade and hoe," cried the greedy old fool as he danced with joy. When the dog started scratching the earth, and this cruel old couple thought that he had find a treasure. So the old man shouted with joy that to his wife he said, wife, give me the spade and hoe so that I can dig the earth." Then the covetous old fellow with a spade and the old crone with a hoe began to dig. Now that greedy old man started digging the earth with a spade, and his wife, old crone means old woman, she started digging the earth with hoe. They both started digging the earth, but there was nothing but a dead kitten, the smell of which made them drop their tools and shut their noses. As soon as they started digging the earth, they found a dead kitten buried under the earth, and the foul smell makes them drop their tools and they shut their noses with their hands. Furious at the dog, the old man kicked and beat him to death, and the old woman finished the work by nearly chopping off his head with a sharp hoe. Now he furious means very, very angry. The old man became very angry, and even that old lady also became very angry because this couple was very cruel. So what they did, being angry, they become very angry and they started kicking the dog. The man started kicking the dog very badly, and he kicked him till he died. Adhmara ho gaya. And the old woman finished the work. Now whatever the life was left in that dog, that old lady chopped his head by the sharp hoe. उस old lady ने उसका सिर काट दिया hoe से. Then they flung him into the hole and heaped the earth over his carcass. फिर उसको गड्ढे में फेंक दिया. They threw him into the hole and they covered his dead body with the carcass, means dead body, the dead body of the dog with the soil. The owner of the dog heard of the death of his pet and mourning for him as if he had been his own child, went at night under the pine tree. When the owner of the dog, when that kind couple that old man heard that his dog is no more, his dog was killed by the couple, he started mourning. He became very very sad and he started mourning, रोने लगा, करहाने लगा. And he, because he used to love that his dog like as his own child, so he got very upset and he started mourning. And he went at night only, he went under that pine tree where that dog was thrown by the bad couple. He set up some bamboo tubes in the ground, such as are used before tombs, in which he put fresh flowers. Now there is a Japanese tradition, when someone dies, they used to when they bury the dead body, and they used this way, see the picture, this way you used to make a boundary with the bamboo sticks. Now the old man had also put the bamboo tubes in the ground near the dead bodies, near the tomb, and he also put the fresh flowers on the grave. He laid a cup of water and a tray of food on the grave and burned several costly sticks of incense. He laid a cup of water, he laid a tray of food on the grave of his loving dog, and he burned several costly sticks of incense. Incense means agarbatti, and he brought very costly incense sticks, and he burned several costly incense sticks near the grave of the dog. He mourned a great while over his pet, calling him many dear names as if he were alive. He was crying very badly. He was crying. He was calling his dog with several names, several dear names. He used to call his dog, and he was crying. He was calling him कि आजा तू. That night the spirit of the dog appeared to him in a dream and said, "Cut down the pine tree over my grave and make from it a mortar for your rice pastry and a mill for your bean sauce." That the same night, the dog spirit came into the dream of the old man, and it said, उसने आदमी को बोला, cut down the pine tree over my grave, मेरी grave पे जो pine tree है उसको काट दो, and make from it a mortar for your rice pastry and a mill for your bean sauce. And you cut that pine tree and use that the wood of that pine tree to make mortar. Mortar means oakley, and mill to make bean sauce. mortar ओखली होती है और उसमें डंडा मार के पीसते हैं. सो राइस पेस्ट्री के लिए जो आटा चाहिए होता है तो उसमें राइस डालकर उसमें कूटा जाता है. और मिल आपका वो पीसने वाली मशीन होती है लकड़ी की, उससे बीन की सॉस बनाने के लिए वो यूज़ करते हैं. सो द स्पिरिट ऑफ डॉग आस्क्ड old man to make mortar and mill out of the wood of the pine tree. We will continue the next part in the next video.